So the Apple TV app is coming to the Sony TVs. The Japanese Sony TV brand, they have always wanted to have this on their display. So they have announced that the app will be available on some of their models in Europe starting right now. So the update is rolling out on the Sony XH90 series via a software update. The other one that will get it is the KD-65XH900s. They also would launch it in their much more up released products from next year. So it will become a stable for their newer products. So Apple TV all comes by default with Apple TV Plus. So it's a rival streaming platform to Netflix and Disney Plus. It's also coming with its own content, its own unique content. It's not really trying to compete with the Disney Plus, and Netflix doesn't really have the same subscriber base like they do. And it is quite nice. The app itself supports your films, your TV shows in 4K high dynamic range. It even comes with support for Dolby Vision, which is quite nice. If you're looking for the best picture quality that you can find, it is there on your Apple 4K app. I think it's nice. You understand? The Apple app would be available on more Sony TVs later. It will even land on some very select few 2018 model from Sony. It's pretty much going to be available on most higher end 2019 model and 2020 model. So it will become a major feature now on all their display. Not all, at least from their older model, but at least the much more to come displays. They will have this app, and I think it's looking quite nice. If you really want to watch all your contents on the highest resolution possible with Apple technology, with Apple app, I think it's quite nice. So be sure to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.